I got monetized in January 2025, and in this video we'll discuss the money I've made in the first 6 months of being monetized and also in the first year of starting a YouTube channel. This is by no means a video to brag about the money I make, because it isn't a lot. Actually, I've lost a lot more this year than I've gained, but still I was surprised by how much certain streams of income actually pay, and also did not expect certain streams of income already in this early stage of YouTube. So this could be useful for beginners. So let's dive right in and start with my best kept snooping secret, which is Social Blade. It's a website for creators, I think, mostly. You can see Instagram, YouTube, TikTok and Facebook stats of anyone. If you look me up here, then you can see the money I make, an estimation of the money I make, the video statistics, subscribers for me, the monthly gain views, but also my future channel prospect, an estimation of my subscriber count if it keeps on going like this, and also like exponentially. So this is very useful to check out your competition or just to snoop around a little bit if you're curious about how much any YouTuber would make. I did not know this website until a few days ago, and I thought, why not share it for people so they can look in people's private stuff. If you look at my channel statistics, then you see from the beginning I made 296,000.5k views, 83.5k watch time hours, 6.1k subscribers and 301.25 estimated revenue. For the record, if you want to get monetized, you need 4k watch time hours and 1k subscribers. Usually people get to 1k subscribers a lot earlier than the 4k watch time hours. If you look at my statistics for the last month, you see that I gained 46.7k views, 26.4k watch time hours, 747 subscribers and 83 euros. And if you look at the last 7 days, then you see I got about 8k views, 5.1k watch time hours and 128 subscribers and 13.05 euros. How much money did I make with my most viewed video? So my most viewed video got 75.4k views. I gained 31.3k watch time hours, 905 subscribers and 105.38 euros from this one video. If you put this in a calculator, you get 0.0014 cents per view, which is absolutely not a lot. For my least viewed video, which had 1.1k views, 26.5 watch time hours, 11 subscribers, and I gained 1.38 euros, which is also definitely not a lot. If you look at my whole monetization journey, you can see that in the beginning, those arrows on the bottom are when you make a video. When you look at the graph, you see that in the beginning I made like 10 cents, 1 euro, about 1 euro or less a day, which is definitely not a lot. But when you see the progression, you can also see the kind of video that I've made. And there's always a spike in money when you make a video, even if it's not a lot. Like sometimes it's 3 euros. Then if you progress until March, you see that it becomes most of the time more than €1 per day. In May, when I started making the study with me videos, the money spikes are becoming higher, which means that I was making about 2 euros, 3 euros a day, which doesn't seem much, but for a student this pays for a little meal at the cafeteria or just something small. The most I made in a day seems to be 6 euros and 43 cents. And I've made a total amount of 301.25 euros in my first year from AdSense. If you compare my analytics to what you see in Social Blade, you also see that they are very similar. So the estimations are pretty accurate. If you're also doing memberships, I now currently have 5 members, and I don't get every euro that you pay. YouTube also takes a percentage of what I've gained from that. So my memberships are now at 2.97 euros per month. So the 5 members doesn't equal 5 euros a month. I did not expect at all to get a sponsorship in my first year of starting YouTube, but it turns out if you have a great viewer to subscriber ratio and a lot of engagement, that people tend to send you a lot of emails to collaborate with them. Also because you are a very new YouTuber, you will probably do a lot more for a lot less for a lot of companies. So this also might play a role why a lot of brands contact like smaller channels. I didn't get money from them, but I got their products for about, I think they were worth about 800 euros. For me, this was an amazing deal. I was really surprised that I could pull this deal off with them. And yeah, so I didn't get money from the sponsorship, but I got 800 euros worth of products, which is also, for me, a stream of income, I would say. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it. It all depends on the views that you have, the kind of content that you make. It's really, my example is just one example. There's so many more examples out there, and not everyone is making the same amount per views. For example, finance channels are making more per view. The content that you make also has an impact on how much money that you make. But yeah, I hope this was a little informative, that you'll learn something out of it. I hope you have an amazing day for the rest of the day, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.